If you are planning to buy CMF phone one by nothing, then watch this video till end because I am going to tell some of the highlight features and some of the biggest problems in this phone. First of all, let's talk about its features. It has got a beautiful design and it has got a changeable back cover, which is the main highlight of this phone also. It has 5000 mAh biggest battery with support of 33 watt fast charging. It has got 50 plus 2 megapixel camera also, and it has got a powerful processor of Dimensity 7300 IP52 rating also. Let's talk about some of the biggest issues in this phone. The phone has got a 50 plus 2 megapixel camera. 2 megapixel depth sensor is there, which is an useless sensor. If there was 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, it will be good camera setup. And second point is it has got no charger in the box. There is cable but no charger in the box, which is very bad I think, because it is a tight budget segment where people can't add money or something. If people can add, it is good, but it is budget friendly phone, so there should be charger inside the box. After adding 1 to 2000 for buying charger, there would be another options in that segment, so there should be charger inside the box for selling phone in this budget segment. And there is not 3.5mm jack also, which is a small problem but not a big problem. Another some small issues are there, which is not so big problems, but overall this phone is good in this segment. If you got this with offer of charger, it would be good. You can buy it, guys. If you think I have highlighted main point, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. If you don't think so, then comment. Thank you guys for watching.